So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and make a Twitch profile picture utilizing a free tool called Adobe Express. That way you start to stand out, viewers start to recognize you, and you start to brand yourself as an actual streamer. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the description of the video. The very first link is going to be the link for Adobe Express for you to be able to go ahead and get signed up and create your free account so you can go ahead and follow along. Once you've done that, you're going to be brought to a dashboard just like this. The very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and go to the left hand side and select customize size. This is very important. For the width, you're going to want to put 256. For the height, you're going to want to put 256 as well. And then you simply go ahead and hit next. Now, one of the beautiful things about Adobe Express is that it's not just for a profile picture maker. You also can utilize this to do social media graphics, to make logos, to make banners, so much more you can do with this. And I'll show you that here in just a few moments. So once you have this canvas set up, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and find a picture of yourself. It's super important for your Twitch profile picture. You want to have a picture that's just your face, smiling, happy, excited. Remember, this is going to be the profile picture you're going to use on your Twitch, on your Instagram, on your TikTok, on your YouTube, everywhere you are. So that way there's consistency and people can recognize you when they see it. So we want to make sure this looks really, really good. So you want to select upload photo. You're going to go ahead and find a photo of yourself. I'm just going to simply go ahead and find one here of myself. Here's one here. I'm going to select open, and you're going to see here that I'm going to go ahead and add it, and now you're going to see that it's there. Now, one of the things is that if you want to make your profile picture look good, you want to make sure you have a nice background behind you. But the beautiful thing about Adobe Express is that we're going to be able to remove the background with a click of a button. So click on your picture. And you're going to see on the right hand side there's a button to go ahead and remove your background. Simply click on that and it's going to go ahead and do its magic, and it's going to go ahead and automatically remove the background from my picture. You can see here that it went ahead and removed it. You simply want to go ahead and let me just undo that. You simply want to go ahead and hit auto, and then once you hit auto, you then want to go ahead and hit the check mark, and that's going to go ahead and make sure that your picture now, the background has been removed. So you see that it's removed. So what we want to do now is that we don't want to leave it like this. Remember, we want this to be more of a face shot. So we want to increase this size as much as possible until we get more of just our face inside the actual box. So again, just keep resizing this. And then once you have it at a kind of a similar, even there, we could still go a little bit bigger. Remember, because the biggest focus that we want is our face. So once we have it about there, that's about perfect size for just my face. You can see my eyes, you can see my teeth. I'm smiling, I'm happy. And now what we want to do is you want to go ahead and adjust this just a little bit to make it look a little bit better. So you want to scroll down and bring the image so you can access the background. Click on the background, and this is what's going to make your picture pop. You want to go ahead and select a color that's going to match your branding. So if it's a blue, if it's a red, this is how you're going to be able to go ahead and stand out. So simply select the color that you want. I'll select that. I'll select the blue kind of color like this. And then you want to grab your picture and just adjust it again and have it in there. Now let's make it pop a little bit more. So under the effects, once you have the image selected, you want to select enhance. And what you want to do is you want to increase the saturation just a little bit, and the contrast just a little bit as well, and that's going to give it a little bit more of a pop. So now that you have that there, you're going to see here that now we have a nice profile picture that we're going to be able to utilize on our Twitch and all of our social media. So now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select download, select PNG, and select start download. Okay, now one of the things you want while that's downloading is that you can utilize this for so many options. And again, this is going to be free to be able to utilize. They have so much free options you can use, but if you want to go ahead and upgrade to the paid for $9 a month, you get access to premium photos, you get access to scheduling, to post it on your social media. It's just amazing what you're able to do once you upgrade, and for $9 it's pretty good. So once you have that picture downloaded, you want to come to your Twitch account. You're going to come to where it says here on your profile picture, you want to select channel, and that's going to bring you to a page just like this. You're going to want to select edit, and that's going to bring you over to your creator dashboard. Once you're here, you're going to want to go ahead and go up top to select the brand, and here you're going to see profile picture. You're going to go ahead and find the profile picture we just went ahead and downloaded. You'll have it in there, and you'll see here that now it fits perfectly where we want it. You'll simply hit save. And now you're going to see here that your profile picture has now been updated. So let's go ahead and update this here. and we'll showcase that here in just a moment. You can see here that now my profile picture appears, it pops up, that blue background brings a picture out, and when people see this, when they're scrolling on all my social media platforms, they'll be able to know that it's me. Now, it's super important that you have a nice profile picture, but if you don't have a nice banner to be able to go with that, to look professional and have your branding on point, you're not going to get that much of exposure. So again, we want viewers to take you serious. So I want you to do is go ahead and click this video right here where I show you how to make a Twitch banner utilizing Adobe Express's free plan to be able to make it look brandable, look professional, so that way you stand out amongst other streamers. So go ahead and click this video right here to learn how to make a Twitch banner. I'll see you guys in the next video.